Foresights TV with me, Isma. On November 11, 2024, Justice Sanjiv Khanna was sworn in as the 51st Chief Justice of India, marking a significant moment in the country's judicial history. Administered the oath of office by President Draupadi Murmu at the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Justice Khanna succeeds Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, whose term concluded on November 8, 2024. At the age of 64, Justice Khanna's appointment has been formalized with a 6-month tenure expected to conclude on May 13, 2025. This brief yet impactful tenure places him at the helm of India's apex judicial institution during a time of critical legal and constitutional challenges. Here's a special report from Foresights TV. Justice Sanjiv Khanna brings to his role as Chief Justice a legal for judicial excellence and an extensive career in law. His journey began in 1983 when he enrolled as an advocate with the Bar Council of Delhi. He first practiced at the district courts of Tis Hazari, later making his mark as the Delhi High Court and other tribunals. His service as the senior standing counsel for the Income Tax Department and as the standing counsel or civil for the National Capital Territory of Delhi shaped his legal acumen. Elevated as an additional judge of the Delhi High Court in 2005, he became a permanent judge in 2006. His elevation to the Supreme Court in 2019 marked the culmination of a distinguished judicial career. Justice Khanna has been instrumental in several landmark judgments during his tenure at the Supreme Court. Notably, he was a part of the bench that scrapped the controversial electoral bond scheme and upheld the abrogation of Article 370. A decision that reshaped the political and legal landscape of Jammu and Kashmir. He was also pivotal in the case regarding the use of electronic voting machines in elections, reinforcing the integrity of India's electoral system. In a significant move for criminal justice reform, Justice Khanna's bench granted interim bail to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, allowing him to campaign in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections amidst ongoing investigations into the excise policy scam. Justice Khanna's legacy is also deeply tied to his family. His father, Justice Devraj Khanna, served as a judge in the Delhi High Court, and his uncle, the late Justice H.R. Khanna, became a symbol of judicial independence for his courageous dissent during the emergency, notably in the ADM Jabalpur case of 1976. This familial connection underscores the long-standing tradition of judicial integrity and independence that Justice Khanna carries forward. As the 51st Chief Justice of India, Justice Sanjiv Khanna steps into a pivotal role at a crucial juncture in the country's legal and constitutional evolution. With his deep judicial experience, particularly in landmark cases shaping India's democratic and electoral framework, Justice Khanna is expected to navigate the challenges facing the Supreme Court during his brief tenure. His leadership will be closely watched as he follows the legacy of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, whose contributions to the judiciary were significant. With a family history steeped in judicial excellence and a career marked by landmark rulings, Justice Khanna's appointment as CJI ensures that India's legal system continues to uphold the values of justice, fairness, and constitutional integrity. That's all for today. Thanks for watching Foresights TV with me, Isma.